Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Kailia from Rise BC Wellness Center in Nelson, BC, and this is Anna Topf, a kinesiologist working at the clinic. Today we're going to show you a simple technique to use a rubber ball to treat So now we're going to be treating the suboccipital muscles and the upper trapezii. These muscles can get very tight from bending forward, or anything that causes strain on the neck. And this exercise is really good for headaches, neck pain, and upper back pain.
So we can use either this nice double ball here, or you can just put two balls in a sock. You're gonna lie down and start at the base of the skull. So sometimes the ball may feel like it's sliding a little bit, so you may need to bring the hands up to hold it. You can do subtle movements side to side. You can also kind of nod your head, yes, that's it. And then 5 to 10 breaths there. Then when you're ready, you move the ball down the neck. Again, taking more time than we're taking here on each spot. And then moving it again down until you get to the upper trapezii, right in there. Excellent. Okay, that's it. So once you're there, you can just relax your body down. You can also move your arms up and down a little to intensify the effect and the release. Always nice full exhales when we do this one.